guys, it's Amaya and Austria. Welcome back to our channel. Today, the weather is 5 degrees outside, but it's so sunny. Look. Wow, amazing. Today we have unbelievable science. It's a New Year's gift that we got. Since it's January 1st, 2020. Happy New Year! So we don't really know what this is, but we do know that it shows here that we can erupt a volcano, we can mold our own geode, and create a rainstorm, which seems really fun because look at this. It looks like the volcano is going to erupt, and this crystal looks like coconut crystal. So yeah, it's really nice. So I think it's going to be really fun. We're really excited about this. Very. So yeah, I got my scissors here. And she's going to cut it open. Oh, this is going to take the time since I'm not really that good. But yeah. Yeah. We did it. Anyway, so yeah, I'm opening it right now. And here you go. In here we have a lot of stuff. We have this. I don't know what this is. We have this, which has nothing inside. I think this is a mold. There's instructions in it. We have crumpled up instructions. And corn as well, which are really bad. So yeah, here's the instructions. Danger of suffocating. Keep away from babies and children. These are the powders and food coloring. You can see right here. Good. Put this on top because it will fly away. And we have this. A bottle. What else? This. Wait, I think this is a bottle. Wait, look, it has food coloring. 3. Yeah, that's what I showed. Yellow, we have a red, and blue. A safety leaflet saying not suitable for children under 10 years, for use under adult supervision. Contains instructions before use. Follow them and keep them for reference. Okay, so this is what it says. One volcano base. I think this is a volcano base. Bag of baking soda. Sure, it's here. There is 1 bag of sand mix, 1 plastic tube, bottles of coloring, bag of crystal powder, bag of plaster, geode mold, and I'm going to go get my jacket. Anyways, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make my own rainstorm, which is pretty easy. All I need is vegetable oil, color dye, and water. Now we're going to wait for Austria and wait for her to come over with her jacket. So here, okay, so we have Austria. Austria's back with her jacket. This is really good, really nice. And so Austria, today you're going to be making rains. Right? First we need pour vegetable oil into a glass. We need vegetable oil. Yeah, let us go and take out this packet first. We have blue dye. Right here. We have yellow dye. Pretty good. We have red dye as well. We have other random things. We have this. I'm pretty sure it's baking soda. This is plaster mixture. We have sand and plaster mixture. We have this, which is pink quartz crystal. Wow, we have crystals. It's really nice. We have bicarbonate of soda. And that's it. Oh wait, we have this random thing. Sure, that's a straw. We have this straw as well. And then we have this paper on the thing. So yeah, that's all we have. Now we need to look. Make it nice. So first you need vegetable oil into a glass. You need 2 glasses, 1 vegetable oil, 1 water, and 1 food coloring. And yeah, we are going to go take our glass and vegetable oil. Okay guys, so first we're going to start to pour vegetable oil into this glass.
This is our
Mainly
spoon.
we have our stuff here. We have vegetable, we have blue dye, we have 236 milliliters of water, we have a cup, a glass. So first things first, we're going to pour our vegetable oil, this, into the glass. Yeah, how much is in there?
Then how much drops?
It doesn't say how much drops, but it says add some of our dye. So just add maybe like 2 drops. Oh, I don't know how to open this. Oh, it's spilled out. No, it didn't. Okay, now here you go. Here's your dye. Add in 2 drops. 1, maybe 3 actually. I'm thinking about. Okay, enough.
2 monster eyes and a mouth.
Okay, that's kind of bad. Let's mix it now.
Maybe we can mix it and then we can get out.
Mix. Huh? It doesn't mix. What?
We need more.
Yeah, add more.
Oopsies.
Oops. That was a fail. Just add in a bit more, okay?
What's so more? Maybe it's like slime mix.
Maybe.
Because this ugly thing is here.
Maybe.
Take the ugly thing out.
Whatever. Let's keep it. It's our bestie after all. Hey, enough. Maybe I want more, actually.
Oh my gosh.
And no, done. Okay, now it's starting to look a bit more blue. Isn't it?
I don't know. I'm also gonna mix.
Move.
Stop it. I'm gonna mix.
What are you sorry? Okay, now it looks blue, doesn't it?
I don't know. Oops.
It looks blue for us. I don't know if you guys can like see the blue.
Wait, get out.
Ooh. Where is that thing? Did you get it off?
There.
This fell into our cup anyway.
Wait.
No.
You didn't really need
Perfect.
that.
So it's blue. It looks blue, doesn't it?
Looks like a light shade.
Yeah. So yeah, now we're done. Here. Here's how it looks. Looks pretty blue. Our next step says fill a glass. We have a glass with 236 milliliters, about 236 milliliters of water. It says pour the food, oil and food coloring mixture into the glass and watch what happens. So let's see if this is going to be a fail or not. Wow.
What's going on? It's only sticking up.
Yeah, to be honest, it's only sticking up. Look at that.
Can we poke it?
Try and poke it.
Poke. Wait, can we mix it?
Ooh, look at that. Look at that.
Can we mix some more?
It looks like a storm. Look. Wow, Ashria. Look at that. Look.
Wait.
Looks like a tornado. So basically the reason this happens is because since like oil and water, they just don't mix because of their molecules in them. So whenever you're like mix it like this, even though it's like normally normal waters mix up together, these don't, so it kind of looks like a storm.
So this is unbelievable science.
Wow. Look how beautiful it is. So it's
Please, success.
Wait, what if we add another food coloring?
No, don't.
Wait, actually do.
Okay. I'll add red because I know it's gonna become a pretty color.
Wait, what's that?
No, it's gonna mix in with the water. That's what's gonna happen. But let's see.
Wait.
We're just gonna play around with the experiment now. I know it's really hard. Just one.
Wait, give me.
No, dear. Are you sure this isn't enough?
No.
Add 4.
There.
So the thing is that it mixes in with the oil, I think. That's what's happening. Very weird when you mix it. Okay, now stop. Look at that. It creates
It's a storm. It looks like a tornado.
It looks like a tornado with blood.
Yeah, I know.
So yeah, this is how it looks like.
Look how
Tornado with blood.
it looks really nice. It looks kind of weird, actually.
Wait, look. This looks like a small tornado dazzling up, and then the dust particle is going down.
Yeah, no, look at that. It's really nice. It's really nice to see, actually. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I have to say that this experiment was a success
And not a fail.
So we'll see you guys next time. Bye.